We all want to save our Mother Nature. But, we all, unintentionally are harming its existence. Existence of being beautiful. Being industrialists, it is our responsibility to practice it, by equipping our products and machineries with low-waste lubricants. But, the question is, how? How we can save our nature? Actually, it is quite simple. Use the lubricants, having guaranteed higher life. Guarantee is now possible with MoS2 nanotechnology. MoS2 is known for its dry lubrication properties. This nano compound have the ability to transform industrial lubrication practices. Hardai ARMND engineering solutions have brought nano MoS2 dry lubrication in the forms of coating, grease, and oil. The products have power to handle extreme heat, extreme speed and extreme duty cycles. With at least 45% more life, MoS2 dry lubricants have power to reduce industrial wastages. As MoS2 nanoparticles have higher surface area, it has higher tendency to adsorb unwanted frictional heat and forces. Therefore, use MoS2 lubricant products to experience a healthy, wealthy and wise nature.